So Hasbro was upgraded by Bank of America. They also raised their price target from $70 to $80. Price currently is trading at $61.50. This is the weekly chart, but I'm going to zoom out. There's a reason why price stopped going down last October and started moving higher. You have buyers protecting this massive macro $42 level. Since then, price has moved up very nicely over the past 6 to 9 months. And typically what happens when price trends, you have the impulse move and then the pullback before the potential impulse move. Now, as you can see from the weekly chart, we had a surge in price, potentially on earnings, in which price came into a weekly seller's level that was formed back in September. You had this drop, 2 basing candles, and then the drop, which sent price all the way down to the pandemic lows before reversing and retracing 100%. So it's only rightfully so that the sellers and the buyers took profits or saw it as an opportunity to short. Now there's a reason why price stopped at the 56.72 level and started moving higher. Like, see that surge in volume? One can say that was weekly buyers. So price finds itself in the middle between weekly sellers and weekly buyers. And typically when you're in the middle, you don't trade. Right? Price is fairly valued, meaning the buyers and sellers are equally distributed. The extremes is where you want to play. Sub $57, you have an imbalance between buyers and sellers. And roughly at $66, you have an imbalance between sellers and buyers. Let's go down to the daily chart. So that was earnings. And what happens when price comes back to the origin of the strong move higher? You at least get a pullback. And this call was, well, the call that Bank of America made when they upgraded stock. It's the only reason why price gapped higher. Let's actually get into the news. So Bank of America believes that the consensus forecast isn't fully accounting for the success of Hasbro digital gaming strategy with Monopoly Go. They expect the game to significantly boost profitability, contributing $36 million in operating profit per quarter in the second half of this year. They also see positive signs in the company's consumer products division. They now see healthy overall toy industry inventory levels. They also predict an 18% revenue decline in Q2 due to factors including reduced SKUs and tough comparisons. However, they anticipate improvement in the second half with new product launches. Looking ahead, they see Hasbro's momentum continuing into 2025, fueled by the full year of royalties from Monopoly Go, a potential return of low single-digit growth in consumer products, and a more favorable theatrical content slate. So that's the justification for the price target increased from $70 to $80. However, before we can even fathom getting to 70, price is going to have to take out the sellers at $66. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.